everyone. This is Attorney Lilian with Lilly Legal, and I am here today with your Tuesday tips. So today we are going to be answering a question about traveling with a temporary stamp in your passport while your green card is being processed. Okay, so this is the question. Can I travel with a temporary I551 stamp in my passport if actual green card is in production? Okay, that is the question that we're going to be covering today. Now, if you find this helpful, please do feel free to share it, like it, and subscribe if you're watching in a place where you can subscribe. If you would like to schedule a time with me, please feel free to do so. My information will be in the description. Now, this question is a very important question. So typically, if your green card is approved, and you're waiting for the card to actually come in, you may be able to get a stamp in your passport as proof that you have a green card. If your green card has expired and you're filing to renew it, while that's pending, you may be able to get a stamp in your passport as proof of your status. The same is true if you are filing to remove the condition on your green card and it is still pending and you need proof of your status. Getting a stamp in your passport is the best way to do that. Okay, so if you have a stamp in your passport, again, that is proof of your green card. So you are allowed to work, travel with that stamp. Okay, that stamp is basically taking the place of your physical card. So the same things you can do with the card, like travel, like work, you can do with the stamp. Okay, for travel, you need to pay attention to when the stamp expires. Okay, that's really important because you don't want to be outside of the US when the stamp expires. So wherever you're traveling to, however long you're staying, you need to make sure that you're coming back before that stamp expires. Just like you don't want to be outside of the US with an expired green card, you don't want to be outside of the US with an expired I551 stamp. Okay, so that is your tip. If you have that stamp in your passport, it serves the same purpose as your physical card. Okay, so if you're traveling, make sure you're back before the stamp expires, and make sure that you keep that in a safe place because that is proof of your status, and sometimes it does take time to get a new passport. So make sure you're keeping that safe and secure, just like you would your green card. Okay, so I hope you find that helpful. If you did, please do go ahead and like, share, and subscribe if you're watching in a place where you can subscribe. And thank you so much for taking the time. Bye for now.